We have launched into the second quarter of 2024. My name is Rachel Mooney.
I'm Mary Beth Hoops.
And we are here to tell you what's been going on in our real estate market here in Forsyth and Gwinnett County. So let's just dig right in on what's been going on in the last 30 days. Here in Forsyth County, we have 453 homes active available on the market. That number shot way up over the last 30 days. We put 183 homes under contract, and that number actually did come down, and then we sold 241 homes over the last 30 days. Of those 241 homes that sold, our sellers still got 99% of their asking price, and the average days on market were 34 days, which actually went down, but our average sales price jumped way up. Our average sales price for a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home that is 3,200 square feet was $730,000. Mary Beth, how about Gwinnett?
So Gwinnett really has heated up in the last 30 days. We listed 630 homes. We put 196 under contract, and we sold 634. Our average days on market had a big drop. So we were at 45 last month. This last 30 days, we were at 28 days on market. An average sales price of right at $512,000, and our sellers are getting about 99% of their asking price as well. Our supply is hovering right at 2 months. But one number that I thought was really interesting is we have about 1,258 homes on the market in Gwinnett County right now. So that's single family homes. The average list price of those homes is right at $686,000, and their days on market. So if you're still on the market and not under contract, they're right at 57 days on market. So big difference in comparison to those that closed.
That's so true. And actually for Forsyth County, our average days on market for all of our homes is 67. So it's basically doubled for a home that is still on the market versus when it goes under contract quickly. So there is a big difference with pricing your property accurately versus not accurately. And you can tell that on the market with the number of days.
And especially in those higher price points, which y'all carry there in Forsyth County.
Yeah, it's crazy. So I Googled what is the phrase that most people are Googling these days. And of course it is, when is the right time to buy or sell real estate? And I know, Mary Beth, we always talk about that there really is no great time to do it or not to do it. It's just a matter of what it is that you're trying to accomplish. But let's dig into that a little bit more.
So I think there's always a great buy. So people will say there's good times to buy or bad times to buy. There's no bad time to buy. It's just, what is the good buy in that particular market, right? And so I think having that consultation with your buyer's agent is really important so that we know how to help you win in whatever market conditions are out there.
Exactly. And one thing that I thought about the other day, actually, I was in an appointment with a client, and, in the last market that we were in, when everybody was out, they were buying, they were throwing money left and right at property, removing appraisal contingencies and appraisal gaps. And, they were throwing $50,000 to $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 at homes that they were really inflating those prices. And it's a much better solid investment to purchase in a level market than it is in that previous market. And so if I'm a buyer and I was out looking, I think I would feel safer in this specific market knowing that we are at a level market and that I'm actually getting it at the price it should be versus buying it at an inflated price.
Right.
So I don't know. I think it's a difference of perspectives a lot of times between buyers and sellers, but right now really is a great time to buy. I went back and looked at our numbers from last year in Forsyth County. And if you recall, our average sales price this month was $730,000. This time last year, our sales price was $581,000 as an average. So what a huge difference 1 year makes as far as what an average sales price is. So
I think we're seeing so many buyers, talking about having more confidence in this market. The interest rates are certainly higher. We can always refinance down the line. That's another video. But we're seeing buyers be able to negotiate repairs and things like maintenance, having the HVAC service, or negotiating in a home warranty to help cover some things over the next year. So it's a great time. But as you're seeing in the stats, we're seeing 99% that the sellers are getting. So it's still a great time to sell too. So you're just seeing more balance in the market, which I think is great for both sides.
I 100% agree with that. So if you're thinking about buying or selling and wondering if right now is the time to do that for your specific reason, reach out to us. We are full-time professionals in this industry. We would love to come into your home, or we can meet at the office, wherever a convenient location is, to have a consultation with you and decide right now if right now is the time to do it or not. So feel free to share, like, and comment this video, and then we look forward to seeing you in the next 30 days.